Hello guys, today I will introduce the Volferda E8 capsule tiny house. This is one of the most hot-selling product of Volferda. It has 36.8 square meter. It made with galvanized steel pipe. It can be used 50 years. The house is windproof, earthquake resistant, and corrosion resistant. If you're planning to place it by the seaside as a guest house, there's no need to worry about rusting. As we reach the entrance, the door is equipped with a smart lock, which effectively prevents theft and helps in case you forget your keys. Inside, there's a foyer where you can change shoes. There's also a storage cabinet, providing ample space for storage. This is a one-bedroom, one living room, and one bathroom layout. Here is a spacious bedroom that can fit a 1.8-meter bed, accommodating to people. The room features large glass windows on 3 sides, making it perfect for scenic locations. If you prefer less glass, you can draw the curtains for privacy, which is excellent, and it also provides good sound insulation. This is a bathroom with a wet and dry separation. Many people often say our house doesn't have a kitchen, which is a significant misconception. This is the living room, which is quite spacious, and it includes a bar counter and kitchen area. This layout is very suitable for a guest house. The living room is also surrounded by glass on 3 sides, making it highly recommended if your project has a great view, as it can increase your guest rates. Outside the living room is a balcony where you can sit, enjoy a coffee, and take in the beautiful scenery, making it a very comfortable space. Next, let's discuss the manufacturing process. The framework of the Volferda capsule house is made from hot-dip galvanized steel pipes. Benefits of hot-dip galvanized steel pipes: corrosion resistance. The main pipe is 5 millimeters thick, and an additional anti-rust coating is applied at the welded joints of the framework, making it more resistant to corrosion. Even when placed by the seaside, it won't rust, ensuring a long lifespan. Hurricane and earthquake resistance. The steel pipes are heavy, with the bare framework weighing to 0.5 tons. Including the glass doors and windows, the E8 model weighs up to 9 tons, so there's no need to worry about being blown away by a hurricane. Additionally, the framework is welded from steel pipes, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing during an earthquake. Contact if you need.